Welcome back to the garage, and look who is joining us again today. So what are we doing today?
Installing piston rings, building a short block.
For what?
Some mythical truck I hear about.
So what fun, exciting things do I get to do?
Clean parts.
Come on, Mike. I'll help and build your engine. Oh yeah, fun times. He makes me wash parts. He does all the fun stuff. He puts.
Hey, you're gonna be stabbing the other four.
Oh, am I? Yay! I get to do something. Because right now my wife has done more on this engine than I have. I spent hours building a woodruff key. She put rings on pistons. Gee, which one's more important?
Woodruff key.
Guess who lost the woodruff key?
One of these is mission critical.
I think both are mission critical. After he got tired of hearing me constantly complaining, he finally let me work on this thing. A little bit of history on the block. Picked this bad boy up for free down in West Palm Beach, Florida. Came with two intake manifolds, good set of heads, comp cams in it already. A lot of good stuff. Aftermarket road race can. But the engine was almost toast. We barely were able to save it because whoever put it together before did a terrible job and put the wrong crankshaft bearings in it and spun the bearing. So 6 months later of machine work, we're here. Gets a lot more expensive really fast, and I have a whole truck to build. And my wife gives me a small budget. She's mean. Really hope she doesn't watch this video. I'll be in trouble.
She's rich. You're poor.
So for this build, we're going to be using a set of manly. M-A-N-L-E-Y.
Read the box. It's over there.
M-A-N-L-E-Y. It's not like it shows it phonetically on the box. After some heavy discussion and a few Google searches, they're called manly pistons. And we picked those up used from Marketplace. And my brother is such a bad mamma jamma, he cut valve reliefs in all the pistons. Though there still is one piston with two sets of valve reliefs. Wah wah. Still did better than I could. We had all other machine work done at a local machine shop and they nailed it. They did a fantastic job. We picked up some new factory rings and bearings from Rock Auto and mounted those onto some new OEM Gen 2 Coyote rods that we picked up from a Ford dealer, and we put all that on the factory Cobra crank. On the top end, we ported and smoothed the heads, installed stage 1 comp cams along with the comp cam phasers, and that pretty much finishes up the engine. And now back to my brother making me look like it's my first day on the job. So this is an adjustable lifter that has a set screw inside, so you can set what? What are we setting?
Just the height.
Just the height,
To take out all the lash.
so that way we can check the valve, the piston clearance on it. So our current setup, you can see the two different springs down inside. That's our normal spring. That is our, what would we call this thing?
Checker spring.
Checker spring. There. I want to say adjustment spring. I knew that was wrong. So that'll be our adjustment spring. Jesus Christ. This is why he builds engines, and I just look pretty on camera for you all. So normal spring, checker spring, and he is working on installing the adjustable lifter.
Cam starting to open the valve. We're just past top dead center.
Okay.
We got the checker spring. I'm literally pushing.
I'll be 100% honest. I have no idea what I am doing when it comes to a modular motor. This is my brother's wheelhouse. He has extensive experience with his own Mustangs on how to build these, and he has done a lot of research on how he wants to build his own engines. So when I told him I want to put this engine in my truck, he already had a plan on everything, all the parts that we're going to put into this thing. Now, I recorded tons of footage on us doing the timing of this engine, how we put the heads on, torque specs, yada yada. If you're interested in seeing more of that details type work that can get kind of dry, be sure to like this video and put a comment down below. If I get enough people doing that, I'll make sure to post these videos for you. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks in advance. Makes you spend hours filing a woodruff key, slowly whittling it away forever. He needs to file one little thing. He goes, nah, I'm just going to bust out the mill. Yep.
That kind of mark.
I think he did more with a file. Let's build a 4-valve, he said. It'll be cool. It won't be that bad. Give him credit, because last time I was here, I made fun of him for never using this thing, but yeah, he's used it quite a bit on my engine. Yay! You're welcome. I'm helping you use your tools, justifying the money you spent that your wife could have spent.
No, not allowed.
Timing these 4 cams was the biggest nightmare. It took us hours to get this done. So much struggle that my brother had to endure. It's in one piece again. MIA. That'll be coming soon. I have a plan for that. Be sure to subscribe because I'm super excited about that too. Things are moving a lot faster on this project than I actually expected. So yay! Thanks, Tommy!
That's because I don't know.
Now we're gonna rip it apart and put it in the back of the truck. I think metal with power tools, lifting engine hoists with wheels have crusher at those, and we're still in sandals. All loaded up. Had to take her back apart to make sure she fit under the tonneau cover here. It's sealed up so it doesn't get any water in here on the drain back home. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up below. Subscribe, add your comments if you have questions. Till next time, go work on your car. Peace. So I just stole your latest project. So what are you gonna do now?
Build another motor.
What are you building, huh?
427.
Ooh, all aluminum?
Not that rich.